Set your mind on a definite goal, and observe how quickly the world stands aside to let you pass. The way of success is the way of continuous pursuit of knowledge. A quitter never wins, and a winner never quits. Every adversity, every failure, every heartbreak carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. More gold had been mined from the mind of men than the earth itself. We refuse to believe that which we don't understand. Put your foot upon the neck of the fear of criticism by reaching a decision not to worry about what other people think, do, or say. Those who succeed in an outstanding way seldom do so before the age of 40. More often, they do not strike their real pace until they are well beyond the age of 50. Opinions are the cheapest commodities on earth. Everyone has a flock of opinions ready to be wished upon anyone who will accept them. If you are influenced by opinions when you reach decisions, you will not succeed in any undertaking. Cherish your vision and your dreams, as they are the children of your soul, the blueprints of your ultimate achievements. One sound idea is all that one needs to achieve success. Remember that your real wealth can be measured not by what you have, but by what you are. Riches are shy and timid. They have to be attracted. Poverty needs no plan. It needs no one to aid it, because it is bold and ruthless. Riches are shy and timid. They have to be attracted. Your subconscious mind recognizes and acts only upon thoughts which have been well mixed with emotion or feeling. Every man is what he is because of the dominating thoughts which he permits to occupy his mind. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Faith removes limitations. Both success and failure are largely the results of habit. Failure is a trickster with a keen sense of irony and cunning. It takes great delight in tripping one when success is almost within reach. Knowledge is power. It is nothing of the sort. Knowledge is only potential power. It becomes power only when, and if, it is organized into definite plans of action and directed to a definite end. The cause of the depression is traceable directly to the worldwide habit of trying to reap without sowing. There is no substitute for persistence. The person who makes persistence his watchword discovers that old man failure finally becomes tired and makes his departure. Failure cannot cope with persistence. There are no limitations to the mind except those we acknowledge. Both poverty and riches are the offspring of thought. If you are ready for the secret, you already possess one half of it. Therefore, you will readily recognize the other half the moment it reaches your mind. Neglecting to broaden their view has kept some people doing one thing all their lives. Thanks for watching. So please, like, share, subscribe.